Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can check your internet speed. You can check your internet speed from your mobile device as well. For that, you need to go to a certain website and check for it. Now, let me show you the process of how you can do it. For that, first of all, open your Google Chrome or any other browser on your mobile device. I'm gonna use Google Chrome. Once you open the Chrome, you need to tap on the search bar and type in fast.com and press enter. This will direct you to the page where they will automatically record the speed of your internet. You can see here the internet speed of mine is 7.4 Mbps. This is the easy way of how you can check your internet speed. Fast.com is one process. The another process for you to check is on the search bar type in speedtest.net and type in search. This will direct you to the page where you will be able to check your internet speed. Here you tap on go. And the internet speed is 14.68 Mbps right now. This is the way how you can easily check your internet speed from your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.